This thing is not just fast, it's borderline insane. The 2026 BMW M1000R just dropped, and honestly, it feels like BMW looked at the street fighter category and said, yeah, let's break it. We're talking about a naked bike that basically stole the heart of a superbike and said, I'm gonna ride this on the street. And yeah, it's wild. Right off the bat, the biggest question, what's new? Because the M1000R was already crazy. But now for 2026, things get even sharper, even more aggressive, and a lot more serious. First thing you notice, those wings. Yep, those signature winglets are back, but they look even more refined. Not just for show, these things actually push the front wheel down at high speeds, more stability, more control, less chance of your front end going light when you hit the throttle hard. And trust me, you will hit that throttle, because under the tank, this beast is still powered by that insane inline-4 engine derived straight from the S1000RR platform. We're talking about power that pushes close to the 200 horsepower mark on a naked bike. Let that sink in. And this is where it gets interesting. Rumors are saying BMW may have tweaked the engine mapping and throttle response for 2026. Not officially confirmed yet, but riders are expecting smoother low-end control and even more explosive mid-range punch. Basically, easier to ride slow, but even more brutal when you go fast. Now here's the real thing. Weight. BMW is obsessed with shaving grams, and the M1000R proves it. Carbon fiber everywhere, wheels, body panels, details you wouldn't even notice at first glance. Why does that matter? Because a lighter bike means faster acceleration, sharper handling, and more confidence when you're leaning into corners like a maniac. And speaking of corners, the chassis setup on this thing is pure race DNA. Fully adjustable suspension, precision tuning, and electronics that feel like they came straight from a MotoGP garage. You've got multiple riding modes, traction control that actually adapts, wheelie control, launch control. Basically, this bike is smarter than most riders. And yeah, quick pause. If you're into high-performance machines like this, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because we break down bikes like this all the time, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, back to the madness. Brakes? Absolutely savage. High-performance braking system that bites hard but stays controlled. Whether you're blasting down a highway or attacking twisty roads, this thing stops like it's reading your mind. And let's talk about the design for a second, because this bike looks like it's angry at everything. Sharp lines, aggressive stance, that signature M color scheme, it doesn't just look fast, it looks like it's ready to fight. And honestly, that's the vibe. Now here's something a lot of people are talking about. Comfort. Yeah, I know, comfort on a bike like this sounds funny, but BMW actually tries to balance it out. The riding position is aggressive, no doubt, but it's still more upright than a full-on superbike. So yeah, you can ride it longer, but let's be real, this isn't a chill cruising machine. This is a hold on tight and don't blink kind of bike. Now price. Nothing officially locked for 2026 yet, but if it follows the current trend, expected to sit at the top of the naked bike food chain. Premium machine, premium price. No surprises there. And here's where things get even more interesting. Competition. The street fighter segment is getting crazy right now. Everyone's bringing their A game. But the M1000R, it's not just competing, it's flexing. It's like BMW said, we're not here to play, we're here to dominate. So the big question is, who is this bike really for? Not beginners, not casual riders. This is for someone who wants superbike performance without the full race crouch. Someone who wants raw power, cutting-edge tech, and a bike that turns heads everywhere you go. And maybe, just maybe, someone who wants to scare themselves a little. Because this bike will do that, no doubt. So here's the final thought. The 2026 BMW M1000R isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Faster, sharper, smarter, and honestly, a little bit insane. But that's exactly why people love it. Now, I gotta ask you, If you had the chance, would you ride this beast, or is it just too much for the street?